Okay. I think everything is set up. Yo, what's up? Is there any key bindings? Harold,
Yes.
did you fix the thing?
Yes.
So I can just...
Yeah, Harold did good. You
Did
should
it?
probably
Well,
consider
I'm not sure
paying
I've
him by
pushed
now.
it.
What did you say?
I'm not sure I have pushed it, so 1 second.
Good.
I just want to like fix a small thingy.
Oh, that's for the next video. Leaking. I'm leaking.
You're leaking?
I'm leaking.
Alright, bro.
I'm hyped for Steamworks. I feel this is a big mental blocker when doing multiplayer in custom engines. Yeah. Oh, whoa. We have to see how it's gonna work. Thank you for the hype. This Nuts Inc. Zig, actually.
I'm going along. I'm flashing.
Wait, what the fuck?
Damn, you hear that, Harold? He totally assumed I meant something else.
Yes, it did.
What did you assume I meant? I was just amazed that you're gonna
What
be...
did you assume I meant? Ah, yes, English. Yeah.
What is that? Fuck you.
Yes.
Ah, damn, I love water. Water is so freaking amazing. Who's with me? Who doesn't love water? Love is water.
Totally.
Hello.
Love is water. Yes.
Hello, Andrew.
Yeah, I'm doing a voice reveal now.
Yeah, I'm the...
Oh,
whoa.
fire.
Sure.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Hey, welcome. Hey, welcome.
Wait,
Welcome to the show.
Yeah.
that's not what I
Also,
wanted to do. Hmm?
I got a weird question. Why are we implementing Steamworks now?
Because we can.
Because we want to be able to like try out people connecting to the actual thing now.
I don't think it's a very good idea of using like the Steamworks SDK because I think Danny has used it and somehow a bunch of streamers got their BDocs and they got DDoSed. So
Fair.
Yeah,
But we love DDoSing.
If you use
Yeah,
your direct IP, you're gonna get like a high chance of getting DDoSed.
no seriousness, can we just like create our own server software? Like that would be fun.
Well,
Like full on networking, like from scratch. Now with Steamworks would all help.
yeah, but it's also like to be able to
it's
use...
not the networking that you're using Steamworks for. You're using just a relay. It's just so people don't have to port forward. Like your networking is still going to be all yours,
Okay.
right?
Well, we do have UPnP, which is like a thing that forces the router to open a port. I think.
You'll run into a lot of like edge cases, like a lot.
Wait, your content mixed with the new Shallot game engine really makes me want to take a stab at my Bun engine idea with Zig for core game loop and TypeScript for scripting. Are you planning on peer-to-peer dedicated or I'm using dedicated right now?
Well, you can use TypeScript, but it will be much. It will be more fun to use AngelScript or AngelScript or maybe even Lua, but it's not real good.
So
Zig script.
right now what I got here is this is the server, like hello Kyle, and this is the client. Wait, let me do this so then we can.
Oh.
So if I do that,
Okay, this is actually pretty good.
Like there's two separate executables, the clients and the server, and the server is the one that is the authoritative. So this is one client right now that I got here, and then we can start another one. And there.
Oh, I see now.
Yeah. But now we're gonna add the Steamworks, so we can actually hook up with Steam. Hook up, but be able to communicate with Steam.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that means
Yeah,
then.
but how the hell do we connect to other clients? Like, do they have to like pass a weird argument with us or something?
It's actually like really simple. Steam's all open, man. You just say like everyone's got their own ID and everything already. You just gotta group them together into their lobby system, and then whatever your network does, it does. It's all up to you.
Oh, this is actually pretty cool.
It's literally so like just think of like you're borrowing a router from Steam, so you don't gotta port forward. That's all it's doing. You're just sending signals to a thing and back.
But yeah, Harold, did you do the thing?
Sure, but there's still just a tiny bit more stuff.
But does the init work? That's all I care about at the moment.
Yes.
So I can git fetch, a Zig fetch.
The init does work. Okay, but wait. Well, I haven't pushed anything yet.
Alright.
Wow. I'll remove the auto generation for a second, and then I will just check that it runs. Great. Yeah, we'll just ignore that. Okay, git add, git commit.
But yeah, Andrew.
Git push.
Yes. I don't know. I think it was. I don't remember what the reason was with Danny. I think when he had the problem. I think it was the binding that was problematic, not the actual Steam API or the SDK.
Actually, yeah, I think he is like an outdated thingy.
Yeah.
For multiplayer, like not the binding, like a real I think he used a function that was like outdated and very unsafe. And this got like a bunch of issues, like hackers broke the entire server browser in crap game.
Yeah.
Actually, is this game crap? Actually, is this game even called a crap game?
It's called crap game. A crap game.
Okay.
Let's see. No Steam client. Oh yeah. But this is fine.
Wait, it runs?
I think. Wait, let me see.
Well, that's
run. What? It's Sigfoot on my machine, so alright, great guys.
Also, I think we really should.
What?
Can you just? I think you should just instead of erroring into the console, just make a dialog box. Say, hey, no Steam is running.
Oh.
Well, no, Lubas can make that on his own.
There is Zenity.
Then I guess
what? JavaScript. We don't just do a bunch of random stuff.
No. But I mean,
you can just run it. You can just run Zenity from the terminal. And,
yeah, but running random commands, I don't like. Okay. You know, you should make small things that do their thing. They shouldn't be doing 1,000 things.
I'm just updating Steam. This is Harold's podcast apparently every time.
Yes.
No, but
it's amazing though how it runs because
welcome to the Harold podcast.
Yes. Harold podcast. I guess I can, for you guys who are watching the stream right now, I guess I can give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek on the next video. It's a really funny part in the video, which I love so much.
Oh no, don't. Oh no. Something's bad gonna happen. What is this?
Yes. This video is supposed to come out today, but it's coming out tomorrow because, okay, yeah, here. This part. This is so freaking hilarious. I hope you guys can hear it. I will stop the music real quick. But I just love this. It's so fucking good. Okay.
I'm not here. I'm not hearing anything. Oh wait.
Wait, you guys don't hear the audio?
Oh wait, no. Sorry, I wasn't. I muted.
What the hell is this?
Okay, wait. We're gonna take.
Why am I looking at my own profile picture?
Oh, no.
Okay, now, okay, I don't hear stream, okay.
Yeah, me neither.
Lucas, what are you using? Are you using like like Wayland or something?
Yeah, Hyper. Yeah, Wayland. Yeah. Nope, can't hear
Excellent.
it.
Oh
Just
my
a
god.
just
Oh
a
my
frog.
god.
Damn it! Nobody can hear it. Wait, what the fuck? Okay, wait.
Anyo, do you use X11 by any
Okay.
chance?
Then
I don't really use X11,
Good.
but
good.
what's wrong with X11?
Bro, I know everything that is wrong with X11. It's too much to name.
Well, yeah, we do have steering, but there is a thing called X Libra, which is like fork of X11. We can just use that.
Yeah, no, X11 is just so bad. It's kind of like Windows. It's like someone made a piece of shit, right? And then they like shat on that shit.
X11 wasn't
and-
even updated for a very long time, so.
Well, just use X12, you know, that no one supports.
Yeah, well, actually, like nobody talks about X12. Holy crap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Exo, I think it fixes a lot of stuff. Like, I think it's green steering, I guess, and also for some reason the red hat guys are for some reason like, silencing X break, and also
Good.
I think they had the like I think on the Irish wiki there was a article about X Libra, but it was removed by the admins because the about section we just talk shit about big companies like Red Hat, IBM,
Okay, guys.
Google.
It's I launched Steam. Now we just need to put the this
Run
Steam.
that, bro.
Yeah, we just need to give it this thing.
Oh yeah, Steam App ID.
Yeah.
I can't use
Just use
Space
480.
Wars.
480 is free, but you'll have to filter. Like you could search. Like if you put in 480 and do the lobby search, like you'll get like I don't know, like 1,000 different servers.
Oh damn.
Yeah,
be like Arc,
yes, because
Rust,
yes,
so you gotta
because,
filter it.
yeah, because
That's what I
cracked
did.
video games like to use cracked games like to use it because well, technically you technically own the game, and if you try to using like the original FID, it will just, oh wait, you don't have that game. No, I'm not gonna work. Screw you.
What?
Yes. That was the best impression I've ever heard. Can we get some applause in here? Wait 1 second.
What?
What?
Oscar award-winning acting right here.
Is using Arch as biggest time sink as I fear. We
Yeah.
launched through with or we
Oh, how
initialized.
does it run on your machine? It's sync fault for me. Alright. It's fine.
You see, you know when why it runs? Because of my you also have 64 gigs of RAM, don't you?
I have
have
like
like
16
24.
gigs of RAM.
I have 24, bro.
Yeah. You see, I have 64. So when it's supposed to go to an address that I do not own, it's like I got too much memory. I can never save.
Ah, yes. It never sync faults. Ah, yes.
I'm gonna find your house and rob you because
Wait.
I need that RAM.
Wait.
Well, I'm stuck on a laptop.
It's like DDR1. Though, so it's...
Does
Yeah,
it?
Yeah, stop lying. Stop
It's
lying. It's not
Yeah, it says that I'm
Trust
playing
me, it is.
Space War now on Steam.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, Space Wars the game.
Good joke.
480.
Let me just
Yeah.
bring out the applause, I guess.
I mean, it's not. It's not.
Why
far
do I
off.
not have? Why do I not have the soundboard? What the hell is this?
Because you're poor. You have to buy it.
It's using but if the question if using Arch is
This
too
is a
much of a
joke.
time thing, I wouldn't say it is. I would say.
I hate Patreon.
It takes time to get into in the beginning, but after a while it kind of get used
What takes
to it.
time?
Get
Your
into
mother?
Arch.
Yeah, no, it takes some time, but like once you're in, it's fine.
But yeah. Well,
So
I think it for me it's just I still just enjoy Arch. It's so minimalistic.
Arch is not good.
It is good.
Bro, Arch
I
minimalistic,
swear
bro.
to,
You
I swear
love
to
to
God, if you're gonna trash talk Arch, I'm gonna murder you.
Yeah, please do. Somebody get this guy out of
Well, I
get
mean,
Harold
you
out.
could be. It could be worse. It could be like Gen 2 or something.
So over or under
Gentoo
2
is the
months.
worst. Not, Gentoo is like pain in the ass to install, and I'm not gonna use it. Seriously. It's just I want a working computer. Like Arch works for me. I can do whatever the hell I want on it.
Basically, if you spend like 9 hours a day on Arch and you want to fix it every month, then yeah, use Arch. Otherwise, nah.
Yeah, like you can
didn't have
get
to
used to
fix
Arch
it.
under 2 months, but then you have to be like super dedicated
I
to it.
didn't have to fix it. So I'm just upgrading my
Has
system.
it never broken?
Mine
well,
Arch has broken a few
well,
times.
yeah.
But oh shit, how can I disable that? Anyway,
You gotta do streamer mode.
can I do streamer mode on Steam?
I
Somehow?
think it's gonna break today.
Yeah, but you know, guys, it's like the bell curve, right? It's like when you're a noob, you use Ubuntu, and then when you're like an intermediate, you use Arch, and then when you're a pro, you use Ubuntu.
Oh, so fun fact, my dad was using like Ubuntu for like I don't know, for like 8 years actually.
Yeah, Ubuntu is like it's alright, but I don't know, they're fucking it up a bit now. They're gonna do a
Yeah,
bunch of
They have
stuff
like a
to
bigger
fix.
subscription thing where just where if you pay for it, you get free more security updates, which is like. But I think I know why.
Yeah, I mean, I'm probably not gonna install Ubuntu next time, but I mean, it works alright, and I don't really
Yeah,
care.
it actually,
It's not Windows.
works. It actually works, but they have like telemetry and well,
Yeah.
they have telemetry, but Firefox has it too. So what's
Yeah,
the
it's hard
point?
to get away
I'm not
without
using
telemetry.
Ubuntu. If you're using a browser that sends telemetry,
Can I not
Yes.
just
so like I know
or
Mozilla.
notifications? Can I just disable seeing friends going online or something? Ah, when I unlock achievement.
Also, I recommend checking like the GitHub account settings because GitHub is training all of your stuff on pretty much GitHub is training is using your stuff to train their new AI that they're working on. Same.
Love AI. I do love artificial.
Well, AI is
injection.
AI is kind of a cool thing, but it has a lot of flaws, and
I think you know what.
I really want to
honest,
I really want to get a new computer because so I could just run it locally and just never care about like environmental damages that AI right now is causing.
Yeah, I don't care about AI.
Well, it's gonna make a really small difference, but hey, it's making a difference, I guess.
It does what I needed to do.
Yeah.
I wonder if I could send
Yeah,
it.
just wait till you get older and you get more lazy. Like it's becomes more of a blessing than a curse.
Yeah, actually seen it in myself.
Unless you're a Harold who's just born naturally lazy.
Yeah. This fucking guy.
Like I was born lazy and then I just got lazier. I'm so lazy nowadays. I don't even. I have
Look,
to listen
it's
to
playing
Born Milk.
Space War. I've seen.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm playing Space War. This is basically Space War. Look at this.
Yeah, you can get the hidden achievements too that nobody's got. That's the one
I sent you a message
thing
on
about
Steam.
being
did?
a Steamworks dev.
But I'm not seeing it on your stream.
Nah, I disabled the things. I hope. Up by the.
Yeah, you did. Oh,
Yeah.
Screw you, dude. I just want to see my funny stuff. So I'm just gonna play
They're just gonna come raise some racist messages.
Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna play this stupid game I found on Steam called The Impossible Game.
Alright, well, at least we got this now, so, and when we quit, I hope it says, well, I guess there's no... Okay, well, what's the next step then? SDK.
You should make like you start making your lobby code so you can like filter out your Steam IDs and put them in a lobby, and that's like technically how you're gonna do your networking. I think that's like all you got to worry about. They'll have a chunk in there called lobbies. Like it's all everything's so English in their fucking library.
I should also probably make a
What do you mean
request
English?
to
Do you
get
write your shit in
the
Canadian?
my what's it called? Old Steam game
Not
maybe,
French, but
because if I could get it to work with this one instead, just rename it and brand it to this thing. Steamworks creating and using install scripts, creating a. Huh. Did you read this, Harold?
read what?
Creating and using install scripts? Oh wait, am I misunderstanding this thing?
I didn't read shit.
Okie dokie. Let's see. Steamworks overview in shutdown. Here, this is what I care about. 480. But then I would also like to. Can I?
Lucas, I got a question.
Mm-hmm.
Can you put proximity voice chat in your game?
No, I don't.
Yeah.
I don't.
No, seriously, it's actually Steamworks supports it. Like,
No, but I mean,
like it actually supports it right out of the box.
I
Like, just
mean,
look it up.
I don't think it makes sense for the game. If you think risk, do you know Risk of Rain?
Yeah, I know Risk of
Yeah,
Rain.
I don't think it makes sense for the
Oh,
game.
God damn, I messed it up. Yeah, I know Risk of Rain, but I never played it.
But yeah, I don't
It
think it
would be
makes
fun
sense.
to have like proximity voice chat. I think when I was like playing Space War, for some reason, just screw you. I'm sure you're I'm sure he works to everyone on the server. This is not a joke.
The what?
Oh, God damn it! So, I think I played like Space War with my friend, like actual Space War, not like some weird cracked version, and of a game, like, and you can like create like and there's like a room system, and I think like you know what, I'm gonna make a room with my friend, and we played around with it, and guess what? We actually could hear each other. Yeah, like open mic, you couldn't mute it.
Ah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, but I don't think it makes sense for the game. I mean, nah. Because it's not gonna be like some kind. Proximity chat makes sense for something where you can kind of like you need to where communication through proximity like is necessary. But right now, Risk of Rain, I don't think such a game. I think it would make it too confusing to have proximity in it. I don't think it would be such a strategic or fun element. Maybe. If it was more like a horror kind of like game of with roguelike horror game, ooh, that would be pretty fire. I guess then it could make sense. That would be actually pretty damn fire. Holy shit! But that's not what I'm going for because no. Let's keep it.
Actually, sorry for interrupting.
No, it's fine. I need to find kind of because what I need to do is right now I need to kind of like get the server up and running so I can connect through the Steam to the server. That's what I need. How I do that? I have no idea.
Are you gonna make a Windows build?
What?
Are you gonna like make a? Can you like make a build so like people who are using Windows can play it?
Who using Windows can play it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think if they have done the what was the problem right now with 0.16 in Windows? I don't remember. But there was some problem. Yeah, 6.
Some IO stuff.
Yeah, some IO stuff. But as soon as that is fixed, in theory I think you should be able to build this on Windows as well and run it. Like I haven't used any Linux specifics things.
Oh, so
way, man.
You can't build stuff like Windows stuff on with Zig. Oh god damn! Well,
You,
that
you,
sucks.
you can, but right now there's just I'm using and was it for dynamic library loading or something that didn't work with Windows at the moment?
Well, sort of. It's
Oh.
How
because you're
about
linking.
how about
No,
if you are a Windows user, you just don't play?
yeah, that too. But
Oh right,
it's
that
also
okay.
if you
You're
link
just
libc,
Steamworks.
it's fine. Just link libc and it's fine.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I do.
Are
Well,
we
yeah.
just gonna ignore like?
Hmm?
Are we just gonna like ignore that like 98% of people are using Windows?
Actually, I
Most
think it's a
people are
smaller
using
percent than
94,
that.
but I think like I know 93, I guess, but let's oh yeah. So like
Is what? Where do I?
like 28%. What the hell?
I don't think this is what I. No. I'm just bad at Steam users operating system use 2025. Well, let's see here. Okay, wait, but okay, maybe distribution of Steam gaming platform users operating system used of June. Maybe
Yeah, Windows 10.
maybe you're
Yeah,
right.
Windows is like holy like going insane right now because holy crap that. Are people still using Windows 10? What the hell?
Wait, this
I found
percentage
the-
doesn't add up to
I-
100, so
I found
maybe.
I found the Windows 7 was dropped. Holy crap.
But also have to discount Steam Deck unless you optimize for it. Yeah, no. We are just doing a basic idea for.
Oh wait, I'm not looking in the right place. I think it's just like a thingy for.
The Steam is just like a nice. Okay, here, let's see. This I think is more accurate. April 2026. Linux.
Yeah, that
What
one's actually more
can we
accurate.
Where can we see? But these are just. I cannot select.
Let me just check. Wait,
Wait,
scroll up,
Windows, Mac,
scroll up a
Linux.
bit.
Here, let's see.
Yeah, the most popular is like Windows 11 because
Uh,
well, a lot of stuff supports it and
look
and
here.
and
well,
Arch Linux on the top, hell yeah!
yeah.
That's Steam Deck though.
Hell yeah! Arch Linux on the top, baby!
Yeah, okay, but seems like actually Windows is still.
Nah, let's forget about
Huge.
Windows. Linux only. Let's
Yeah.
just leave them out. You got to be the
Next,
reason that people convert. Like if
Yeah.
you keep going on with the Windows trend, then nobody's gonna convert to Arch Linux.
They
Come on.
want to play Planetary Sigma so freaking bad that they convert to Linux.
Mhm.
Dude, Damon, I don't think anyone, I don't think that people have like I don't think anyone's gonna switch to Linux because I don't think they don't know how to. I don't think they know how to do it.
I'll figure it
And
out.
also, like, Linux is way
Monkeys
different
did
from
evolve.
Windows, and a lot of people just don't like.
Monkeys did evolve.
What?
Monkeys
Oh, some
did.
posted a coffee fail exploit. Oh my god.
Like,
Oh wait, it's not here. Oh wait, it's not in the Lucas server. But also, you heard about like coffee fail? Coffee fail?
Coffee fail? No.
Copy fail. It's actually an exploit in Linux. Which we can like escalate the privilege without doing any like enter a password stuff.
Everybody, welcome to mine and the Herald's podcast. This
Guys,
Thursday
today we're going to discuss how
afternoon.
bad CABI actually is and why it took over. The reason it took over is because everything was shit at the time when it was made, right? But we have to move on now to fixed sized integer.
Better things. Move on to better things.
Exactly.
Actually, let me tell you a story. So you'll know there's a game called Trackmania, yes?
Which one? Trackmania Nations?
No, not the Trackmania Nations. I think it's like Trackmania 2 Stadium. Someone did run that used like a just a shortcut and like that was like easy to do. And somehow the links to the servers didn't calculate that properly. Okay, so how like oh god. Okay, so when you submit a run, there's a native servers. What they do is that they actually like replace the inputs for the they get your replays that you send to the server, extract the inputs and replay it and see if it's like identical because it's because like pretty much pretty much the physics that you're using is like deterministic. Okay, if you do it like if you do it like very like precisely like a run, you can literally just replay it. So like and you know how like and like the data source are like are running Linux and they're using but like a really old one. You understand what I'm talking about? Or not?
No.
I'm trying to figure out how I could. Okay, I'm gonna pull out
Okay,
this
okay.
now.
Let me just. In short, somebody submitted a run. It did not accept the run for some reason, and when someone actually just like took the run and then like revalidated on their machine, and like it did go fine, like no cheats or anything. Like, oh god damn it. Oh. Oh god. So pretty much someone made someone like finished the run, finished the map very fast, and the runner didn't use any cheats, and for some reason, the server just refused to take the run because when it's validated inside, it just on site. In short, funny, GLPC being little shit and not doing the calculations correctly. Oh god damn it, I don't know how to explain stuff. Oh my god.
It can be confusing.
Okay, so someone did run on the map that used a shortcut. Like a very easy shortcut, like anyone can do it. And for some reason, when the player uploads the run to the servers, the servers for some reason just said no. I'm not accepting your run. And people did a little bit digging, and in reality, it was that Linux was really the Linux thing that we're running, like the distribution. It's like really old Ubuntu, just like it's like pretty old, and it used like a really very old version of glibc. I don't know what glibc is.
Yes.
It used the server used a very old version of that, and when the server like replays the run on there on inside, it just wasn't the same, and someone actually tested it on neural Linux and it's validated normally. So like it didn't even say no. I'm not accepting that run. I just said all right. You can okay. I'm accepting it. I don't care. Okay, this is good.
I mean, I guess I don't even have to
And-
change anything on it yet. I can just use the app ID even though it's not supposed to be for this yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then once I'm certain I could do the change. Yeah, we'll just go with that. Wait, Anjo.
I know how to explain stuff. I just want to. God damn it.
Anjo, you hear me?
Yes.
Do
Yes.
you-
Yes.
Wait, I also want to confirm with the rest of the guys. Do you have like some speaking? Like sometimes I find it hard to hear what you're trying to say, like you're mumbling.
No. For some reason, I can't create sentences properly.
Ah, okay.
Sometimes.
It's just
Yeah.
it
I
just
know
comes-
why. I know why, but
Hmm?
sometimes it's just great. Can't create sentences properly.
Is it just
Yeah.
not used to talking, or is it actually like some
I know actually. I talk a lot.
Yeah.
I know why. Why do I have it? I know why.
I mean, I can add it, but you can just
I know
if
how
you
to explain
train.
stuff, and yeah, I have to like train. God damn it!
I mean, I just train
I speak
myself,
like a
right?
toddler. I know. For some reason, I
No,
feel like
yeah.
I speak like a toddler. Oh.
Nah, bro. I've been in your shoes, right? But the problem is mainly just trying to speak fast.
Mm.
Oh, yeah.
I found that like I do speaking like more slowly, or just thinking is like a split second before helped, but it also is like a training thing, right?
Is the app ID anything sensitive to share?
Nah,
Yeah.
Well, I
It's a lot.
don't think so.
Okay, I'm changing the. Let's ask Claude. Is app ID anything sensitive to share? No. Good changes yet. No, the app ID isn't sensitive at all. It's totally fine to share public. Every Steam game has public app ID that anyone can see. Example, blah 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 blah. What you should keep private: build, upload credentials, SDK logins. Oh. Encrypted app tickets key, okay, blah, 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 but about itself. And yeah, since everything was private, you're basically free to just rename and reuse. Whenever you're ready, no need to contact Valve or any blah blah. Okay, I think we could probably just then mess around and find out. I think it's the approach we're going with. Just how I like it. Let's see, I'm gonna take my actual app ID. It's not the demo. We're gonna be using the actual. Even though I have the demo. Okay, save that. Let's see. I think it should now start with that. Let's see. It should say which ID it used. Yeah, so it works with that. It doesn't tell me anything about the name about this. It's crazy. Okay. Okay. So now I just need to figure out. I don't know. Is there anything about how to set up? So I do have this thing now. Create an app ID of type tool that will be used solely for a dedicated server for the game. Okay, so I need to create that now. That's crazy. Shit. Okay. Let's see. So I have this on my second monitor because I don't want to accidentally share something I should not share. How the fuck do I create that? Type tool that will be used solely for dedicated server for the game. You can do this yourself by visiting all associated packets, DLC demos and tools section of your app and create new tool. What the fuck? Create DLC. Okay, all associated and tools, yes. And then here, tools are useful for adding separate related content to Steam that may not make sense to include in the base package, such as modding SDK or dedicated server. Note that dedicated server tools will be available to all accounts regardless of app ownership. You can create up to 2 tools here. Okay, create tool. Tools are separate, blah blah blah. Apps that can be shipped. Oh wait, it's actually new text. Okay, so separate non-game apps that can be shipped alongside your game. These can be used to allow dedicated servers to run without the dedicated Steam account, or ship larger SDKs as separate download from the game itself. These tools appear for customers in the tool. Do you actually need? Is this when I want to upload the thing, or is it just also when I just want to test and try out? Inside the new app, click.
It's when you want to upload the thing to the public. Like if you want to release the thing to
But
the
I
public.
still want to create, like, I still need somehow the clients to connect to my, I still need to, like, somehow.
Oh, I'm back. I was muted. No, you shouldn't be looking at dedicated game servers. That's kind of like, competitive multiplayer. You're hosting.
But that's what
servers somewhere.
That's what I got. You run locally on your own machine a dedicated server that you connect to.
Yes, you're doing a client host like connection stuff. Like that's not dedicated server. That is not.
it's the same thing. Minecraft also runs a client host, but it's also dedicated at the same time.
I think like a dedicated server means it runs 24/7. You know, it's like my Linux server downstairs. You know, I'll just run the server, and then even if I'm not playing, people can still connect. Like that's a dedicated server. Like you'd be running like your whole game, like this. You would have a whole different build for your server that runs no rendering, none of that,
Yeah,
right? And it's
that's
just
what I
built for you
got.
to connect.
That's what I have.
But
You're so confused.
well, no, I'm not confused. I'm just kind of like wondering like why would you have it set up like that when it should be like the host starts up the server and like your server is part of your client, the host client, right?
No. I want it to be dedicated, like Minecraft has it also. Like it's actually runs a separate server on your client, and then your client connects it to it locally, and then other people. The same idea I want, but hidden kind of that. You run a server like when you run single player Minecraft, you actually run a server that your client connects to.
That's hosts like host like the hosts like it's like I
No, if you don't have, then you would have it automatic. You wouldn't have your own client connect. Your client would just immediately modify the game state. But when you run two separate executables for server and client, then it's already dedicated because you don't have your client immediately modifying the game state. It goes through your own network still to do the request as everybody else. Or am I wrong? Let's think of Valheim versus Minecraft. That's how I understood it when I read about multiplayer programming and dedicated servers. Maybe I misunderstood, but that's how I understood it.
like if you're hosting a server, you run the server and it does its console, and then you don't play or anything on that one. It's running, and then you connect. Everyone is like a client, and there is no server owner technically. It's just a box somewhere that people connect
But
to.
you can
It
still
could be your computer.
Yeah. Because you can run also you can run just servers on a normal client computer at the same time. They're just different
But like
executables.
what I'm kind of it's not like impossible, but it's definitely excessive. And like
but Steam also has that you can that's the tools basically what I'm looking at right now, that you can run a dedicated server but on the same computer that you run your actual game client on. But anyways, the thing that I'm wondering is that
but like Steam uses that for like filtering and stuff like that. So like imagine like I don't know, you've never played Rust or anything like that, but like when you like turn on like you can like get the server build which you want, and then you would run that on a dedicated server, right? And then you would never really actually play on that, but you would go into it and change the server settings and everything on that, but it'd be running 24/7 and everyone just connects to it. So it's like you said, like your Minecraft, like the servers, even though you turn your computer off, it's still running, the server's still running in a Linux environment somewhere, right?
But anyways, the thing that I need, because I need to get the server to run up with its own, I assume I need some kind of start for the server where all of the clients then needs to kind of send a request to connect to, but then I need the servers to be found somehow through Steam, and that's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Like, do I then need this kind of tool? So when I start the server, it will actually use this tool to be accessible through Steam so that the clients can find the server and connect to it.
For mine, I just used well, I guess it uses the Unity transport, but like for the API, like I don't know if it was part of the wrapper or not, but it was like the lobbies.
Yeah.
That's how I got people connected.
Yeah, but let's see. I'm gonna Claude ask and see if what a server binary and a client game. Do I need a separate implementation or separate? What should I call it? Separate Steam SDK thing. I'm just gonna end it like that. Probably figure it out. To be able to connect to it. Good question, and the answer depends on what kind of connect you mean. Let me break it down. For Steam integration itself, achievements, friends, lobbies, Steam Authenticate, you only need one Steam SDK. You download it once from the Steamworks port. Okay, I guess you don't, and it contains everything in the client API, Steam API, the game server API, Steam game server, and the Steamworks server. You link against something using a Steam. I think the host spins up locally and actually uses a traversal and actually releases the user's IP to all users. That's why streamers were having issues with doxing. I'm probably gonna have issues with
Doxing,
that.
I don't. I think that's DDoSing, not doxing. Like if you get someone's IP, it doesn't mean automatically that you dox the person. Because if you want to get doxed, you have to get like an actual IP, and someone hook up that IP to your router, and if someone like does a IP lookup on your IP, you'll find someone's location.
No, you don't. Wait, so no, you don't. No, that's what. No, it's all in the one package. For your actual UDP networking between client and server, Steam is irrelevant here. Raw UDP code does whatever it does. Steam only gets involved for what you want. But I need to be able to. I want to be able to get those IPs so I can actually connect. That's what I want to go. I don't want to use localhost anymore because then it wouldn't work anymore. Authentication. Verify the player is who they say they are via authentication ticket. Valve Relay NAT punching layer optional replaces or wraps your UDP server browser registration so your server shows up in Steam master server list. VAC anti-cheat. We don't care about anti-cheat. If you're rolling pure raw UDP and don't care about any of that yet, you don't strictly need Steamworks integration. All to test client server connectivity. You can ship a build to Steam that just runs your binary as is. I'm still in test and I just want to try out if I can get you guys to connect to my thing without any extra, because that's localhost won't do. Practical setup for SIG projects. Download the Steam SDK once, link Steam into your binary call, Steam server startup alongside binaries. There's SIG binding floating around, SIG Steamworks, but given your from scratch preference, you might want to write TNC interrupt wrappers around the bits. You actually need what's the goal? Are you trying to get Steam out and to work for a server registry in the server browser or something? I want to don't want to upload yet. Want to test if I can connect my friends to my server.
Can I say something?
Mm-hmm.
Can I say something? Recently people started freaking out because Google started putting I think AI model weights on people's computers without their permission.
Started put what on what?
Okay, so they just force people to download an AI model without their permission.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Microsoft already did that. It's not news. It's just every day, bro.
Friends
Well, not like some
People like Google and all
like
them have been
in
spying on
ChatGPT
you
wrapper.
from day one.
Sorry,
You know, like how do you think you get all the ads that they send you, man? They sell your
sorry for
information.
interrupting you. Sorry for interrupting you, but I think Microsoft Copilot was just like a very crappy ChatGPT wrapper, to my knowledge. It's just like a ChatGPT wrapper. It's only that. No like local AI will help.
Okay.
like Google just like force people to like download like the actual AI model, like the 4K like the actual model onto and force people, hey, download this. I don't care. You can like disable it, but you have to go to their like flags thingy to disable that, I guess. Did you really even understand what did I just say?
Steam, yeah, change the setup first.
Did you only understand what did I just say?
What?
Mm-hmm.
God damn it. So,
Right here, right here.
Google started forcing people to, I think, download like the actual AI model that I think was like, I think, like
Yeah,
the
get
actual like
Steam
AI
lobby and
model,
stuff
like.
like here, but
Don't connect
yeah,
to.
yeah.
I
It's
just
inside the
don't care about it.
matchmaking references.
And that really forwards traffic to your server. Your server real IP is never exposed to client. NAT traversal becomes non-issue because your server reaches to realize egress only, which any NAT allows. There's two flavors: SDR Steam authentication, Steam game server init. Through runs Steam game server, clients authenticate via Steam. You get clients authenticate via Steam. You get the back end cheat, hooks, server, browser registration, etc. Standard Steam dedication model. Pure SDR, no Steam game server, uses just the relay network without the full game server framework. Lighter setup, you lose Steam authenticate, less common, only do this if you have specific reasons. For your case, go with the first one. Why not just the pure? I mean, this
I sent you a screenshot. That's kind of what I use. Obviously, they got their networking interface you'll have to jump into, but that's what I use to have everyone connected right there.
Yeah.
Great. But Lucas, I've fixed the binding. It's what you have to do basically is you gotta change out, so you do like sig fetch and you fetch this new repo I made here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one is like this new repo here it's way better than the old one I made.
What did you change?
No, you gotta go to
Yeah, no, but I
live
already
VC.
I did that.
And there, yeah, but there's a new one here.
I wanted to see the source code. What did you change?
Well, everything.
Everything. Everything is
Going to the
different.
generator.
Generated. Ah, this is generator. Do I have to go?
Yeah.
Can I find it in my own thing somewhere?
It's gonna be
Look
quite
at that. It's
difficult.
got lobby invite, lobby enter, lobby chat message.
Okay, but let's focus on getting the actual this thing and then do that. You need on the
Bro,
servers.
just give me this shit though.
Ah, I'm never gonna get this thing.
No.
You
know, it was fun while it lasted.
What is this?
Damn, why is it 10,000 lines long?
Zig Steamworks. But this is the one that we. Hello, T-Chef.
Yeah, nah, bro, just use this one.
Is it actually that good? I thought you said it was bad.
Looks fine to me.
It is bad, but like I would. It's because like for some reason every single time that some dumbass decides to make like XML or JSON or anything to do with auto generation, they always do it in such a shit manner that you have to do like really advanced stuff, and so it just takes a lot of time, right? And I don't have that time.
Yeah,
What are you cooking right now, Lucas?
just Steamworks. But if you just put it in the actual source in the Plunger Sigma repo, I just need like 5 functions or something like that. I don't care about anything else.
5 functions.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't care about anything else.
Maybe not now, but maybe later.
Yeah, but just take one as I go. You
Well,
know?
then you can just do it yourself. Like the
Fine. I will do it
the actual
myself.
linking itself is quite easy, and so then you can just make your own little thing for it. And isn't that what you wanted all along? Or does it not sound very good now?
Yeah, just using pure C. That's what I wanted.
What? That's not what I said.
Oh, Lucas,
Also, good luck using
Lucas
these
putting
headers.
facts.
But I could maybe get a translate set.
Guys, by the way, I'm so cooked. Like, so cooked. Like,
We know.
today's my rest day, and I had like martial arts swing on my rest day, and I'm so exhausted. Like, bro, what is that rest day? Tomorrow I need to train normally again. Like, I'm cooked.
Mm. That is interesting.
Games for account management. It's a token string that server uses to log into Steam without a user account. Anonymous login also works for testing, but GSLT is the proper way. The server does not need a human Steam account login. That's the whole point. GSLT, the server authenticates itself. The server machine needs outbound internet to reach Valve relays. No inbound port forwarding needed. This is the magic. What you need?
Magic.
Client
Did he say
side.
magic?
Steamworks linked to client Steam running using user logged in. Friends need access to your app ID, playtest, dev key, etc. Same as mentioned before. Client call, connect by IP address. Client call, connect by IP address with special SDR address or connect P2P using server identity or resolve via the server browser. Let's see, Steam game server init, game port, query, e-server mode, authentication and secure, server-side code sketch, Steam game server log on anonymous, set player count 8, set server name, test server, set map name, test map, advertise server active, true. Steam network utils, init relay network access, create SDR listen socket. This is the key call. So this is the first time when somebody connects and main loop, but create listen socket P2P. Whatever. Main loop. Steam games run callbacks. iSteam network message.
Yeah, by the way, bro, you're saying there's a reason why you don't use the C headers in Zig. It's because you can't. Because there's so much fuckery in these headers. It's almost like X11, alright? It's unusable.
I like how you use
Garbage.
X11 as reference on how bad things are.
Yeah. It's just that bad. Like, bro, you don't know how bad X11 is. Like, it's like worse than TypeScript and JavaScript combined. Yeah. It's so bad.
Steam,
So bad.
Account has Steam ID anonymous. Game server will also get one. Okay. Yeah, it's still called Connect P2P on the client side, even though your server is dedicated. That's just Valve's naming under the hood with GSLT. Authenticate service routes through SDR to your dedicated host, not peer-to-peer between users. Okay, good. How clients find the test Steam ID? 3 option or server Steam ID. Hard-coded it. Print the server Steam ID at startup. Steam game server gets Steam ID, paste it into the client config. Easiest for earlier testing with friends. Server browser, register the server with true, and then client query via iSteam. More work. Steam lobby as a rendezvous. How do you pronounce that? Host creates a lobby, server sets server's Steam ID as lobby data. Clients join lobby, and I mean, host creates a lobby, but I still need a server to run. But could I, for testing with friends right now, option 1. Practical first test workflow. General GSLT, Steamworks, or you just use logon for now. Works fine for testing. You can switch to drop Steam Steam app ID text next to both servers and client binaries. Run server, copy the Steam ID, print, send the Steam ID to a friend who has playtest access to your IP. They paste it into the client and connect. SDR routes them through Valve relays to your machine. No port forwarding, no public IP, no tail scale. The server can be behind any NAT. Valve relays handles it, replacing your raw UDP. Send deal as before. Send messages to connect. Receive. Replace your send to receive from your keep packets schema serialization. Use reliability layer if you built one. Hello, Penguin operator. Can I Can I use Steam for just initial connection, then use my own raw UDP? No, not really, and the reason is fundamental NAT issue, not the Steam invitation. Here's why this doesn't work the way you might hope. The core problem, when the client connects to your server through SDR, the client never learns your server real IP. Right. That's the whole point of the relay. Even if you're someone exchange your real IP through the SDR connection client, my real IP is 1234, switch to UDP, they still can't reach you on raw. Yeah, okay, that makes sense then. Your home router NAT has no port mapping for incoming UDP from that client. The client NAT has no outbound mapping towards your IP. You need to do NAT hole punching to establish raw UDP, and that's exactly the hard problem SDR solves for you. Doing it yourself means re-implementing what you want Steam to do. So Steam for initial connection, then raw UDP doesn't save from NAT. It's just means you've done all the SDR setup and still have to solve NAT traversal yourself afterwards. Worst of both worlds. When this pattern does work, there's one scenario where it's legit. Your server has a public IP, VPS port forward and home connection data center. In that case, Steam handshake client authenticate via Steam. You verify the authenticate ticket. Yeah, okay. It's actually a very common pattern. Lots of games use Steam only for authentication tickets and matchmaking, then uses their own raw UDP transport. Counter-Strike Team Fortress and many other did this for years. The two pieces you'd use from Steamworks. Well, I do actually only use. Yeah, okay. I think we can get ticket on client, send ticket client server or UDP. Okay. Well, I guess.
See, I'm not crazy. See,
I think you're pretty
Leon,
crazy.
they're just using
Damon,
it
did
to
you work on
pass
the spaceship?
Oh my god, T-Chef. Oh my god.
5
this guy's
minutes.
fucking
Oh my
smoking.
god.
So we're
Yo.
switching out the thing for this thing then.
Bro, that's
This
What?
thing for this thing.
We're switching. We're getting rid of Harold's.
This thing.
And
This
taking
Yes, do it.
this thing. Okay. That's crazy.
I'm gonna keep it real with you, Chip.
It's a big sad
like a
moment. Who's with me?
Cool.
Okie dokie.
No.
Sig fetch testing dash. Oh wait, am I doing this right? Yeah, I'm just doing it right. Right. And there it is. We get rid of this one. And then we'll take this one up to here real quick and we'll check build. It will become. Let's see, what do they have for. Okay, they don't really have. And then I cannot just
Nope,
call
we lost him.
Steam. What? Who? Who died?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Audio drop died.
No. Okay.
Yeah, I already planned his funeral tomorrow.
All
Are you
right.
coming?
I don't know, man.
Yeah, I thought after that we could like do a little Zig programming session. Holy no, wait, no.
Yeah.
Bro, it was only because this guy in off-topic chat told me, "Do you like Zig or something?"
Yeah, totally. No, let's do some SIG programming. Yes, I totally agree with you. 100% I agree.
But yeah, Harold, you said you have an F-
Why is it not
day
working?
today.
Lucas?
Yes.
I'm trying to figure that out why it's not
Yeah, what
working.
happened?
What's happened, bro? I
Like,
got
I saw-
I don't
cooked.
know.
Like-
It's not working, man.
But
Payroll
D is
sold you
decent,
a
bro.
lie.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, but
so-
that's my old grade. Like I definitely cooked it now.
So now it's like D.
Well, I don't know. I have no idea.
Nuts.
But
Hello,
yeah,
Doom
that shit
World.
went
Okay,
like
maybe I should
shit.
read what I'm actually doing. Okay, now I see what the fuck.
Hmm.
Dependency. But
Dependency, yes.
but it doesn't find this thing. That's the weird thing. Like, how is that possible? It says that it's wait, where's Sig build run there? Unable to find module. Sig Steamworks, but it's
I know what to talk about. I know what.
Sig Steamworks.
know what
It's
to
right
do, man.
there. Right dumb.
I know what
I
to do,
don't think
man.
it's there though.
Well, it's
No, no.
it's right there, and it's unable to find it. Right dumb.
I trust the compiler, man.
Yeah, I don't trust it. I think it's lying to me.
I trust the compiler. Have you tried clearing your fucking build
What is the
cache
issue?
or whatever?
No, I haven't done.
What is the issue, bro?
It says that it doesn't unable to find module, and then Sig Steamworks, right? Well, Steam ain't working. It's right here.
Yeah, because you're trying. No, the module is just called Steamwork. Steam. What is it? You see, that's just the dependency. This like Steamworks lib. Like you have to look at where it's doing the .module stuff.
Where it says
Okay.
add import Steamworks, Steamworks lib, Steamworks, xmod link library.
It's the module.
No,
Are,
it's a skill
Lucas,
issue.
are you still having issues? Yeah, it is. But like, Lucas, are you still having this?
Okay. Okay,
Congrats.
but why is it supposed to be called Steamworks and not Sig Steamworks? I don't get it. I just saw it from here, but
Because the module is just called Steamworks, but the dependency is called Sig Steamworks. There's a difference between dependencies and modules. It's a pretty big one, actually.
all right. Well, okay, nobody is there, but I actually should go to the meeting.
Eat it.
But I still don't. How?
Yeah.
Where do I see the module name from here? No.
Miss, you don't say sheep, bro. I mean, there is technically a way
Actually-
to access the modules, but
So funny thing. I think
That's funny. Oh, dude.
I didn't even say anything.
Well, you said funny
Uh.
thing.
that was funny.
Yeah, well, exactly.
All right. So I think in some when it was like summer, like last year,
So
I had an arc
okay.
where I just like I couldn't take Linux anymore. Like it just like screw this. I'm going back to Windows. Like I don't care. Shit doesn't work. I'm just going back to Windows.
Mhm.
well, we're
Did
we're
you
gonna
get
end.
drunk
I'm
when you
I'm
found
gonna,
that?
I gotta
became
go.
like a little, and I became like a little active user on the really shitty subreddit called Linux Sucks 101. It's actually weird shit. I know why I was active there in the first place. Why I was active there in the first place, and
Where am I typing?
and when I switched back to Linux, I just like looked back at it and it's like and like why was I even active there? Why am I active there? Why was I active there? Like why?
Because power of gooning, am I right? Yes. That's the reason.
I
Alright.
don't even
Alright.
gun, dude.
I gotta
Jesus
go, guys.
Christ.
See ya. Take care.
No.
Next
Right.
stream.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
bye,
Yeah.
Lucas.
Yeah.
I'll see you next
Yeah.
time.
Da, 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 da.